Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable end-to-end encryption for your Instagram chat in your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to update the Instagram app from the Google Play Store. After updating, go to your DM section like this, and here in the top right side corner of your screen, here you can get the plus icon. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option start end-to-end encrypted chat. Just tap on it and select the chat which you want to enable the end-to-end encryption. For example, I am selecting this chat, and here you can get the option your friend end-to-end encrypted chat, and click on OK. Now guys, the end-to-end encryption of chat was enabled to this particular chat. You can easily able to chat this. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to enable the end-to-end encrypted chat for your Instagram. So that's it for today guys, a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.